This morning I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways on how you can fold a fitted sheet. So everyone's got their ways. I used to be the kind of person that used to just scrunch it up and throw it in the corner cupboard and forget about it. But I came across a very easy way to do it. I've been doing it for years now and I love it. So grab the corner of each side with my finger on the outside. I do fold my fitted sheets inside out, so when I unfold them they're ready to go on the bed. I then grab the other side, my fingers in through there, give it a little shake. So now I've got the fitted sheet on both corners. I then lay it out on a flat surface. You can use your bed, you can use a table, you can use a bench, wherever you fold your sheets or wherever you fold your linens. I then grab the long side and then I fold it up to the top. So this actually covers the fitted sheet, the fitted elastic. What I do is I grab the top bit where it's quite rounded. I then bring it to the bottom of it. I smooth it out. You don't have to do that. Then what I do is I actually fold it 3 times. So once, twice, 3 times. And that bit you can do however you like, but it's nice and tidy. Ready to go in the closet. Have a good day.